Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? 4 power x plus 4 power x equals 16. We are solving for the value of x that will satisfy this equation. Now, I can decide to factor out 4 power x because we have it in two places. 4 power x times 4 power x divides 4 power x, I have 1. Plus 4 power x divided 4 power x again, I have 1. And this equals 16. From here, I have 4 power x times 1 plus 1, that is 2, and this equals 16. I can divide this by 2. The 2 that we have here, also divide this by 2. 2 eliminates 2, I have 4 power x equals 16 divided by 2, that is 8. So, we have this exponential problem. 4 is a perfect square. I can express it as 2 power 2 raised to the power of x equals 8. Now, if you have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. I apply it here. I simply have 2 power 2x equals 8. From here, I make use of log of 2 power 2x equals log 8. Remember, log a power b equals b times log a. So 2x here comes behind the log. We have 2x log 2 equals log 8. From here, I have 2x log 2 equals log 8. I can express it as log 4 times 2. Now, if you have log a times b equals log a plus log b, this is our a, this is b. That means you have 2x log 2 equals log 4 plus log 2. From here, I can divide this by log 2, divide this by log 2, divide this by log 2. Log 2 cancel log 2. I have 2x equals log 4 divided by log 2 plus log 2 cancel log 2. I have 1. From here, I have 2x equals log 4 is 2 power 2 divided by log 2 plus 1. From here, I have log a power b equals b times log a. The 2 will come behind the log. I have 2x equals 2 times log 2 divided by log 2 plus 1. Log 2 cancel log 2. I have 2x equals 2 plus 1. From here, I have 2x equals 2 plus 1. This is 3. I divide this by 2. I divide this by 2. 2 cancel 2. I have x equals 3 divided by 2. That is our answer. Now, this is how you can actually solve this, making use of log. But you can also solve this equation without log. This is how you are going to do it without log, method 2. Now, if you don't want to use log, you simply have your 4 power x plus 4 power x equals 16. What do? You can decide to factor out. You have 4 power x times this divides this, you have 1, plus 4 power x divided 4 power x again, you have 1, and this equals 16. I have 4 power x times 1 plus 1, this is 2, and this equals 16. Divide this by 2, divide this by 2. 2 eliminates 2. I have 4 power x equals 8. Then, let's express each of these terms in terms of 2. 4 is 2 power 2. This is power x equals 8 is 2 power 3. Now remember, a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. And multiply this exponent. I will have 2 power 2x equals 2 power 3. Remember, if you have a power n and this equals a power n, the bases are the same. That means n equals m. So we have 2x equals 3. We can solve for x by dividing this by 2. We divide this by 2. 2 cancels 2. I have x equals 3 divided by 2. So we have x equals 3 over 2 without using log. So let's go ahead and check if this value will satisfy the equation. 4 power x plus 4 power x equals 16. Our x equals 3 divided by 2. That means I have 4 power 3 divided by 2 plus 4 power 3 divided by 2 equals 16. From here, 4, I can express it as 2 power 2 raised to the power of 3 divided by 2 plus 2 power 2 raised to the power of 3 divided by 2 equals 16. From here, you can decide to multiply this exponent and this exponent. 2 times 3, that is 6. I have 2 power 6 divided by 2 plus 2 power 6 divided by 2 equals 16. 6 divided by 2 is 3. I have 2 power 3 plus this is 3 again. I have 2 power 3 equals 16. What is 2 power 3? This is 2 times 2 times 2 plus 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, this is 8 plus 8 equals 16. So from here, we have 16 and this equals 16. So both sides are correct. Both sides are the same, meaning that the solution is correct. So guys, there are many ways of solving this. You can make use of log. You can also solve without making use of logarithm. For you to make use of log, you just factor out the common term here, which is 4 power x, divide by 2, then decide to make use. You can even apply logarithm at this point. You have the same thing. But I decided to simplify it further by inserting this 2 power 2 instead of 4. Then I applied the log at this point. So remember properties of logarithm. A 2x comes behind this and After that, you make 2x the subject, then you solve for x. You can also do that without log, just like what I did earlier on here. So any method you want to use, you can do it. Thank you.